Hey, what's up, students? I'm sure you love being referred to as students. Everybody who's participating in Game of Apps, this is a little quick message for you. My name is Jake, and I'm the creator of a thing called the Design Sprint. Excuse me. I just had some cashews, got some in my throat. Anyway, Design Sprint. It's a 5-day process for solving problems, and I think y'all are going to use it in the program, in the Game of Apps program. So, which, by the way, sounds super cool. I'm totally envious of you doing it. This sounds like something I would have loved to do when I was in high school, like 200 years ago. But it sounds super awesome. So the Design Sprint is a 5-step process for working together as a team, coming up with competing solutions to an idea, choosing 1 or 2 or 3 of those, and building a prototype and testing it, and all in just 4 or 5 days. So I think it's a really cool process. I wrote a book about it called Sprint, and I don't know if this is part of what you guys do, but anyway, there's a book about it. But listen, I hope that is useful to you all. I know this is a really tricky time. I have a son who's in high school right now. I remember being in high school, and it was like hard enough to be in high school when there wasn't a pandemic going on. But anyway, it is what it is. This is the world you guys get to grow up in. So I hope that you'll find the Design Sprint useful as a general problem-solving thing, and that there are elements of it or components or the whole thing that you can use later on as well. It's a valuable tool if you're going into business. It can be a valuable way to just think about any kind of problem you have in life that you need to solve. So hope there's some good stuff in there for you. Wish you all the best, and have fun with it.